in there?
Whoa! It's a car!
Oh wow, look at that. It's a car. You got a new car. This is a special car.
It's a special car!
You know why? Because it can go on the ceiling and it can go on the wall.
Yay!
So this is the Wall Rallius remote control RC car by SGILE.
By the cherry.
This is for ages 8 and up. It has infrared control. It can drive on the wall and the floor. It's got a wall hafter that suctions against the wall to keep it on the wall and the ceiling. It drives anywhere, floors and walls, up and down. The first Wall Rallius car. Wall Rallius, smooth on the wall, the panel, the ceiling, the glass, the taxi, drives anywhere, floors or walls, up and down. The first Wall Rallius car. It has super wide infrared control, miniature size and lightweight, auto stable and precision speed. Tri-band technology.
What's open? Whoa! It's a blue car! Wow, that's pretty.
This is the gravity defying SGILE remote control stunt car.
Wow, what a beautiful car. A remote control car.
Yes.
Let's get out of here.
Ooh, look at the car. That is so cool.
Okay. Whoa, there's a new car.
Hey,
Hey.
is that car light?
Yeah.
It's very light, huh?
Yeah.
Less than a pound. See, it's got a vacuum and it's going to suck against the wall. Did you ever have a car that can drive on the wall before?
No. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, there's a remote controller. Look at that. USB cord.
So this is the remote controller. So you can do up and down and you can turn. Here's the sensors that go to the infrared camera there. A, B, and C, I think that is for if you have multiple cars, you can switch from one to another. Okay, so the remote is going to take 3 AAA batteries. So 3 AAA batteries are put in the back of the remote, and we are ready to go. So this switch is for wall, floor, and off. So when you're using it on the wall, you're going to put it on the wall switch. And when you're using it on the floor, you're going to click it over to the floor switch. And then when you're charging it, you want it to be off. So we're going to keep that off so we can charge it. Okay, so this is where we're going to plug in the USB charger.
Yep.
The computer so that we can charge the car. And then we're going to let it charge.
Here, go ahead.
Yeah. We're ready to charge it up.
Let's plug it in to the computer.
Okay, let's plug it in. Okay. Okay, we are fully charged. We are ready to go.
Yeah! Yay!
Wow. Going down. Whoa! Blue lights are going forward. Ah! You tried me up a wall. So now that it has run out of power, we have plugged it in and it lit up, so it is definitely low on power. And as soon as it is full on power, the light will go out, and then we unplug it and we can use it again.
Whoa!
How high can you go? Keep going. Oh my goodness. Then you do 360. Oh, where'd it go? There you are. This is the wall climber instruction manual. Illustrated parts list. This is for battery installation. This is the charge instructions. And this is for driving on the ground. This is for wall driving. And these are some troubleshooting tips.